Alright. This is going to be a demonstration to create your blenders for the, for when we're doing the shading for the final steps of your project. Okay, so some of you guys may have seen this before in your other art classes, but these are like blenders that we typically use to do, value and shading for your drawings. So, one of the things that I want us to do a little bit differently with these drawings is, I want us to have like more of a softer tone or look with like the areas that we're shading. So this kind of helps to create more, create like more of like a realistic look with your, black and white drawings that we're working on. So, we're gonna, shade the values and then use the blender to soften the lights and darks or shadows of your drawings. So in order for us to do that, though, we have to create these blenders. Now, I didn't have any money and budget this year to, buy blenders for y'all, so we're just gonna make some. So, but if you're pretty much unroll like what this is, though, it's just a rolled up piece of paper. It's just layered really well, so it's very thick and stern. So, obviously the blenders that we will make with the paper, though, it won't be as good quality as these, though. But, definitely if you want to, like, blend things, though, this is, like, good to know because, you can just make a blender with just paper. Okay, so to make a blender, though, it's pretty simple. You're going to just fold the paper. Okay, and I would maybe do, like, 1 or 2 inches here. I think it's about, like, 2 inches. Okay, so you just need to roll up, fold a piece of paper like this, about 2 inches, 1.5 inches. Okay, and then all you gotta do is just cut that paper. So where that line is, just cut that paper. Okay, so you just need like a strip of paper like this. Pretty simple. After you cut it, then just you can fold it in half one more time. Okay, and I'm going to want you to cut the paper in half one more time. Alright. Okay. So with these pieces of paper, though, you can make 2 blenders with it. So in total, we're going to make about 4 of them. So, you're going to cut one more strip and then, and then like cut in half one more time. So pretty easy, though. All you're going to do is you're just going to roll the paper. So just real important, though, roll it at an angle. So it's almost going to be like kind of like a pencil. So kind of like this shape here. So we're kind of rolling it at like an angle. So when you roll it, it's going to look something like this right here. So I'm going to try to get it a little bit closer. So you see how like I'm trying to get a little bit sharper here. So we're just going to keep rolling it and rolling it. And it should look something like this when you're done. Okay, so it's almost kind of the same shape as this blender here, but obviously not exactly, though. Okay, so hold this piece of paper here real carefully, and all you gotta do is I'm gonna leave some tape at your table, and you just gotta get just like a small piece of tape. And try your best to not let it go because otherwise you gotta re-roll it again. And then you're just gonna tape it. So I ended up getting too much tape, so I'm just gonna tear a little bit of this off. Not a big deal, though. Just make sure it's taped around. So I would just tape it on the edge, though, so that way the rest of it is fine. Okay, so it should look something like this when you're done. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3 of these. Okay, so I'll do it one more time again just to show you. So I got paper. So the trick is, though, I would just I would even like fold it right here. So you want to fold it like right here. It's kind of hard to see, sorry. That's the easy way to get it exactly like how the angle that you want. You might just be good enough just to roll it. So okay, and then that's all you need to do is just roll up 4 blenders. And I want to say like 4 is enough that you need for the project. And definitely like you'll probably ended up throwing some of these away. Like these don't really last too long. You may be able to blend like maybe half of the drawing or like a quarter of it. and then you'll probably have to like kind of get rid of it, or one thing you can do too is you can actually like cut the ends of it though. But okay, so you want to do 1, 2, and then 3 more. So you know, probably cut 1 more again. Fold it. Try to do it 2.5 inches, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Paper. All right, and fold it in half one more time. All right. So this is gonna be for a classwork grade though, but I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4 blenders, and it should be enough to do your project. Okay, and I'll come by and check it for a grade that you've completed it for the day.